Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're visiting the largest Hindu temple in the US. So, we are at the Shri Swaminarayan Temple in Robbinsville, New Jersey. This temple opened to the public on August 10, 2014. This is the entrance to the temple. And you can see some portions are still under construction. Now we're entering the temple. But before that, make sure you wear proper clothing because there are some guidelines about dress code. Means no shorts allowed here inside the temple. But they do offer clothing to cover your legs. Also, photography or filming beyond this point is strictly prohibited. The temple is built of hand-carved Italian Carrara marble, Indian pink stone, and limestone. The marble obtained from Europe and was shipped to Rajasthan in India. In Rajasthan, the marble was carved by hundreds of artisans, and the finished pieces were then assembled and sequentially numbered and sent to New Jersey. Here you can see a small gift and food shop. There is also a cafeteria and they sell hot Indian food and also a large variety of to-go snacks there. Now we're outside of the main temple. as you can see, there's some construction behind the green net there. That is the construction of the AKSHARDHAM temple. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!